Okay, here's a fun little video where I get to show you a lot of items all at one time with just steak, potatoes, and corn. First, we're going to start by peeling our corn and putting it into a double steamer. Now we'll get the corn started, and then we'll go over and we'll start chopping some potatoes because the corn takes longer. We'll cut up our little fingerling potatoes and put them in a pan. And after about 5 minutes, we'll put those on top. Here I'm going to season the potatoes with Rick's Chef Salt and a little bit of rosemary. Now let's get the steaks ready. Now here I'm using the very end cut of the New York, which is really the worst part. So we're going to flatten those out and season them with a little Rick's Chef Salt, herbes de Provence, and some olive oil. Okay, the corn's been going somewhere around, 5 to 7 minutes, so I'm going to start my potatoes, moving them to the back burner, and starting my pan for the steaks. Now I'm going to set my timer for 7 minutes, because that's about how long it's going to take both the potatoes and the steaks. It's nice and hot. Put the steaks in. Turn them occasionally and make sure they're not sticking. Okay, about 60% into it, about at the 2-minute plus mark, we're going to turn the steaks over. And at about the 1-minute mark, we're going to start heating our plates. Now, remove the steaks, and we're going to dump the potatoes into the pan where the steaks were and add just a touch of water. And now we're going to slice up our steaks, and you notice I have 3, even though there are only 2 of us. 1 is going to be refrigerated and used for sandwiches or another dish later on. So, when your timer goes off, you should be ready. Corn's ready and done. Potatoes, their liquid is reduced, and we're going to take some butter, melt that in the pan, because we have the drippings from both the steaks and the rosemary and the garlic from the potatoes, and we're going to put that on top of the corn. So, in 2 pans, you've made potatoes with sauce for the corn, New York steak, and you've got meat for either sandwiches or a pasta dish or risotto later.